It's a pilot program for 30 kids, and we started because Moravia is one of those really underprivileged, underbenefited communities. The need for English in this community is huge because of the fact that it can bring something very special to these kids, not only open up their world to a new language, new cultures, meet volunteers from different parts of the world, but at the same time, opportunity for the future. I wanted to start this because I know the fact that being bilingual, growing up bilingual myself, it opened up a different world for me. I mean, I would maybe be in jail or dead or in a hospital somewhere if it weren't for the fact that I speak two languages and I have the ability to work with clients in English and Spanish. So for me, teaching English to kids in a neighborhood like this is a big opportunity and it's a very big necessity. Chief.